How to apply for unemployment in Ohio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in Ohio, making sure you have the information needed to seek assistance. To apply for unemployment in Ohio, visit the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services website. Prepare your social security number, driver's license, and work history for the past 18 months. Create an account or log in to file your claim online. Provide the required information about your employment and reasons for unemployment. Once submitted, remember to certify your benefits every 2 weeks to maintain your payments. With these instructions, you can effectively apply for unemployment benefits in Ohio.